Hey there guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks very much for joining us again today. I've got a very short video demonstration for you that will show you how to add a title to your website in Squarespace. And just before we get into that, I'd like to point your attention to a link in the description of this video, which will take you to a free trial version of the Squarespace website editor. So if you'd like to give all of this a go, then you can check that out via a link in the description. And to add a title to your website, it's quite simple, quite straightforward, and you need to navigate obviously to the website in editing mode. So hit edit, and then once you're there, if you hover over the site's header, which is this top section here where the menu exists, and then click edit site header, that will give you access then to the site title and logo option in this menu right here. So make sure that you're on the global tab there, and then site title and logo, which will give you then access to the title of the website there. So if you highlight that and replace it with just an example for you there, and that will then appear as the title of your site live there like that, so you can see it. Also gives you the option to add a logo in if you'd like to do so at that stage, as well as the logo for the mobile version then as well. So you may want to think about reformatting your logo for a mobile version of the site, make it a bit smaller and easier to see on a mobile device, for example. And that concludes our simple video tutorial. So don't forget to check the link out in the description for the free editor, for a free trial version of the Squarespace website editor, as well as giving us a like and a subscribe if you like this kind of content and you want to see more. And if you've got any suggestions for future videos or any requests or anything like that, leave that as a comment down below. And thank you very much.